Shakshuka, it's a very famous Middle Eastern breakfast, usually comprising of tomatoes, capsicum, and then the eggs are poached in the delicious sauce. Now, I'm going to take that concept, but instead of doing a tomato-based sauce, I'm going to do a mushroom sauce. And of course, as we know, mushrooms and eggs, well, they're best friends. So what I've been doing is just frying off one onion. I need lots of onions for this recipe, and you can see that they're lovely and soft and quite caramelised. While that continues to cook, let's prepare our mushrooms. Now, I've got a variety of mushrooms. These are the type of Aussie mushrooms that you can find absolutely everywhere, and you can see the quality of them. You know that this is a good mushroom when they're nice and firm. Now, you don't need to wash these at all. I just brush them off if you see a little bit of dirt, and then I'm going to thinly slice these. Now, these are the cup mushrooms, which are exactly like button mushrooms, but they've been growing for longer. And if you leave them even longer than this, then they turn into a flat mushroom, which is a larger mushroom. Of course, the bigger they get, the meatier they are in flavour. And these little brown ones are called Swiss brown mushrooms, and I love their nutty flavour. So we're going to thinly slice a mixture of these mushrooms, and as I'm slicing them, they can go in with our onions. And we want to saute all of this off together. And don't be afraid to add a generous amount of the mushrooms because they do cook down. We want to caramelise them slightly and soften them. And I also like to add a knob of butter at this stage too. All right, this is looking good, so I'll add some sherry. You could also use white wine. And as that comes to the boil, I'm going to add 300 ml of cream. All right, this is thickened up nicely, so we can crack the eggs into our mushroom sauce. So I like to crack the eggs into a bowl first, just so there's a little bit more control. And then just make a little indent in the cream and mushroom sauce. We'll add the egg, and then I'm going to add a few more eggs in and around the mushrooms, and then this goes into the oven. This won't take long at all to cook, 2 to 3 minutes at most. My creamy mushroom shakshuka has come out of the oven, and then I like to finish it off with a garnish of chives, just sprinkled all over, and some freshly cracked pepper on the eggs. And all we need now is some crusty bread, because what's a shakshuka without the bread? I'm going to dig in, and I always start by dipping in. It's so good. And the mushrooms. Move over, traditional shakshuka. It's all about the mushroom and cream version on a Sunday morning. This is what I crave. Yum.